Welcome to YouTube channel, French with Masum. We create easy-to-follow French lessons for beginners, especially those new to France. Whether you're a Bengali or English speaker, our videos help you learn essential French vocabulary, phrases, and grammar, with practical tips for daily life. Our content is designed to cater to beginners, helping you understand French in both everyday situations and cultural contexts. Join us and start learning French today. Your journey to mastering the language begins here. Dear friends, if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe to French with Masum so you never miss a lesson. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who want to learn French. Thank you and see you in the next video.